Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clear browser data on Android 15 beta in Google Chrome. To clear browser data, go to the browser and now click on the three dots in top right corner, clear browsing data, and now you can select a time range or click on more options, select a time range. I'm gonna select all time to delete all of the data, and you can check all of these datas to delete them, then click on clear data. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.